Hey, good morning, guys. It's your girl Mikayla, and as you can see from the title, goodie, I got Jamaica. Yes, go look for your man. So, yeah, I'm at my gate. I'm the first person here, and I'm the only person here.
In the interest of passenger safety, please do not leave your baggage unattended at any time. If you see any suspicious activity, please report it immediately to the nearest airport or law enforcement personnel.
Okay. Anyways, so my flight leaves at 8:55. I'm going to Baltimore and then to Mobile. It leaves at 8:55. The time is right now is 6:35. I left my house at 5:30. I reached the airport at 5:55, and then I checked in, weighed all my suitcases, went through TSA, came to the gate, and I was at the gate at like 6:15. Like, next time when I'm traveling, guys, like, I'm not gonna do it 3 hours because this airport where I'm at is like, it's never really like that packed. And I realized, I know people did say you can't come but like 30 minutes before your flight and still make your flight, you know, because like it's so quick, you know. It's not like a real big airport, like, you know, or whatever. So yeah, and I'm just here waiting. I'm so tired, but like I'm afraid to like jump asleep or whatever, so I'm gonna just have to tough it out until I reach on the plane. My suitcases were good. They were just like 1 pound on 1 pound, but you know, we just take that all the time pushing, so no overweight charges, so that's good. But I did have to pay for an extra piece or whatever, but it's fine because like I had to. So yeah, I'm just here waiting, and yeah. Alright, guys, so goodie reach at Jamaica.
And goodie reach at Jamaica and fight me.
Because, wait, I'm gonna back it up and tell you guys about my experience, and then we're gonna get back to this over here.
We're not back. Where you call it?
No, you.
No, man. Everything's alright.
Anyways.
Good day, guys.
Wow, I didn't even have to ask him to like talk to you guys. So I landed in Baltimore, and like I had to wait on the plane for like an hour. Like I was still in the plane, like on the ground, and I had to wait for an hour. I guess I said like Southwest Systems was down, all the gates were taken, so we couldn't like arrive to the gate. And then I almost missed, well, I didn't really almost miss my flight for come on Jamaica or whatever. Like as I got off of that plane and went to my gate, they started boarding. Okay. So yeah, smooth flight except for like these 3 females back at me. I think they only had like 1 drink on the plane, and like them just they just acting real childish. Like for 1 drink, shouldn't I get you all messed up like this? I be laughing my laugh, and then my top boss said, "Oh, I gotta pee. Oh my God, I'm about to pee in this cup." And they was like, "Oh, what is it? Some of this is nasty." And they start like them I spit. They was like being like super obnoxious on something that like they was just like freaking annoying. Like I wanted to be like, "Hey, I calm the F down," but me just woolly. Anyways, come off a plane, reach immigration. I the first me ever see Jamaica empty. Usually when you come out, a beer people are come from all directions, and you waiting for like an hour just for them to check your passport or whatever. As me walk, I'ma go boom. I got a baggage claim or whatever. I had to wait a while because they was like loading the baggage on because it was like that quick. So I had like what 4 suitcases or whatever, and then I went to the not declare line because, you know, just to try my luck. This one just sent me got a declare line. Someone got one nice clean boy would look good, right? And did you hear what I said? Huh?
Yeah,
We got one nice clean immigration officer or customs officer. It looked very clean. And then like I was like, "Here you go." And then I saw him, he just on his phone. I'm like, I didn't say anything. And I realized he was watching football. So I was like, "Oh, Arsenal fan?" And they said, "No, Man U." And like I was trying to flirt, but I can't really flirt or whatever. And like honestly, he only checked like 3 of my suitcases and just like let me go. And I was like, yes. Anyways, back to him though. I was calling him because I told B when I come out and you're not there, I'm going back and I'm hopping on a flight to go back home or whatever. So I call B, I'm like, B, where you at? He was like, oh, I've been waiting here like for whole long, you know, come out or whatever. Me gone go buy something for my friend. I said, oh, really? No. I say, if it ain't come back for me, don't come back for me. Like, I was like really freaking pissed off. Like, I'm doing cuss. I said, oh, so y'all gonna choose friend over me and you couldn't really wait on me, but you're gonna go buy something for your freaking friend?
Yeah, but I didn't think they were doing it.
But he was just joking. He went to go get the car. So yeah. So no, he's gonna go buy this something for his friend.
Yeah. I already forget.
Exactly. And don't forget it. I'm here run things. Don't people. I owe my run things, you know? So how long is the limit? You have to pay for what?
I'm just going to go grab something and come back.
Me just come down and you want to keep me in the car?
You know, turn on your AC and lock up.
No, V. If you do it Sony, I forgot about you gonna be in there for a long time.
What kind of long time am I going to be? I'm not doing it for no damn long time.
Alright, roll up these windows and go on. Can I have a kiss? You know, why not? Oh, guys, you know, he came out. I didn't even hug him or like kiss him or acknowledge him. But just go in that car and make him put the suitcase them and I at least something. You don't gotta walk with all of that. People dog shit. Alright, guys. I'm about to go give my hubby some loving and I'll talk back to you guys. Alright guys, so I took off my hoodie because Goody was getting hot, so I just have on this little pink little marina. We stopped at, wait, what's the name of the restaurant? Ivory Star? No. Well, we're in front of the Ivory Star. We came here before a couple trips ago. So yeah, we ordered some food. We got some curry goat, so we just like wait for that, catch up with stomach, and then head home. Pants big? Probably come in the drying. I didn't dry it in, so I'm gonna look something. Guys, B said my pants are tight down. Guys, my man day here. Wait.
You know, we tell people that
guys, B there at school me on how to vlog. Instead, if I just put my camera up and just make it vlog, so it can just catch everything and just video everything. So then when something happens, me not be I take over camera and then like me I force it in or whatever.
Camera will always turn on, and people will always see me always hear me. People sit down right here, so let's keep so far. You smell me? Eh? Mind the camera drop through this.
It's not dropping it. Guys, B want me to.
Me not smell you. Come close here, me can smell you. Watch it. Bonus.
Okay, this one go back. Okay, good.
Oh.
Guys, I was sitting across from B, and then he was like, move closer to him or whatever. But I told him like when you're like on a date or like you eating with people or whatever, you sit from across.
No, this is Jamaica. When I was with man as Jamaica, you see how we comfortable.
You said how you comfortable?
Yeah. When I do we over there, so me have to show. That doesn't make sense.
I'm getting hungry.
Hello. Hello. You need to show people when they see you and all of that.
B, you like my curly hair or my straight hair?
No, straight.
Straight? Or you like when I have in braids?
No.
The straight hair?
Yeah, straight hair.
Guys, I love my curly hair.
Straight
tell me
hair,
this and look
natural
good.
face.
Natural face? You don't like this makeup?
No, you look better without makeup.
Oh, really?
You don't like makeup.
True. I feel like I look better with makeup.
No? Anybody can look how you look with makeup.
No, and everybody can look like me with makeup.
Yeah.
You know, see me, me dolly. Me dolly down.
You're born dolly, so you don't need makeup.
Oh, the boots heavy.
Dish shorty food. Dish. Yeah?
Yeah.
So you know you go. I go start eat before you come back here.
Mango carrot this other?
Yeah. Come let me not too bad on the rice and peas.
Lots of rice.
Is it on?
Of course. I would. Damn. I wasn't expecting like veg in a big bowl. Maybe I gotta something there. Wait till the rice come. You just eat some.
Be me hungry. Me hungry. I'm sitting down wait for something else to go. No.
Maybe I want a video for Instagram.
First water, I'm gonna wash.
Huh?
First water, I'm gonna wash.
First water, you see a wash? What that mean?
Now make your food stairs and I'm hungry and sit down and look fine.
But where's your rice coming so I can video it?
And then me I go say me have table manners. No. Kill yourself yourself.
Guys, the presentation looks good. But me I wait till the rice comes so I can show you guys before I dig it fully.
And the food tastes good. I'm gonna test your rice and peas yet. Food warm and nice.
Yeah, I didn't have home the video.
Ask the boss if you want me to do it hot. Yeah? Ask him if you want me to do it hot.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Going to come again.
Be nice.
Guys, I'm like trying to be like influencer or whatever, trying to like get my social media looking nice when I'm like, you know, posting on stuff. Alright, I gotta show YouTube now. I gotta show them like the food. Alright guys, so here is the food. We got the curry goat. They put everything in a different plate. Curry goat, the rice, and the steamed veg, and then with green plantain, and then we get mango carrot drinks. Oh, you say food tastes beef? Nice. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm about to dig in and eat, and then I'll talk to you guys when we're done or on our way, like about to leave. No, me no. Sitting me I eat, it's fine. No, me I go eat and then I'll come back to you guys. Alright, good morning guys. I did not close out the video yesterday. We had the food was good and stuff, and then we just did come in and you know, so yeah, I didn't get a chance to like close out the video or whatever. So today's the next day. I wake up. I have to go on the road because I have something that I need to look for or whatever, and I gotta reach the guy by 12 o'clock or so. So I'm gonna more pack out people and stuff that I had bring down for like my grandmother and like my stepdad, and get those together and then just have it in the car with me, so whenever I call them or see them, I can just get them and it'll be easier. So here I am, was like taking out one suit of clothes and put that right, and then we look upon this. My grandmother, because when I weighed my suitcase, like with my clothes and my stuff, it was like 38 pounds. So I did have a good look of weight. So when my granny heard that, her face light up. I said, oh, you can't send down this to me, my sister, or whatever. So here, what she do? She go in that cupboard and send down one spam, one bully beef, and one baked bean. And I said, oh, she can have a night's dinner. And then she asked me if me have space for peas and then sitting there. Why? I feel love my granny, you know, but man, she is something else. Like, I have to send them something for somebody. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just getting like stuff them together, and then we're gonna head out. You guys are gonna see Felisa, my cousin. I called her and told her to get ready because she's coming with me. And yeah, guys, I'm here emptying the suitcase, and I brought down 3 cases of Irish Spring, and then just dash away. I don't know how. This is the only one that came like close intact or whatever. I mean, I don't know how them bust up or mash up or whatever. And I don't like that because some of them came out of the packaging or whatever. I mean, I guess people now will refuse it because they can't still use it, but I just don't like how it look. It doesn't look like pleasing or whatever. So I'm still here organizing stuff.
So hold on, you didn't show one shirt already?
So, I did, so I'm thinking it's probably the same one that you got on. I even bring no pills, vitamins. This isn't your easy feet heavy up suitcase here because the suitcase here was super light. Like, it wasn't even nothing in there besides a couple items, and the suitcase full. I reached 50 pounds. So I'm soon finish, and then I go bed and put on. Alright guys, so I'm done bed and put on. I ain't wear no makeup or nothing because I don't got time for that, and I really don't feel like putting on makeup.
You can't wear makeup around me.
Well, we can't we can't wear makeup around you. Anyways. And like, I don't know guys, when I woke up this morning, I just felt so beautiful. Like, I mean, I knew I tell you guys, no, guys, when I'm in Jamaica, I'm just like, my skin just be glowing. Whereas my eyebrows like freshly trimmed, like shaped. So I feel like I just look good. Like, I really don't need the makeup like right now. Whereas me now, me just have one look simple, one look tights on, one shirt. So we're leaving out now. I got a prospect now if we go pick up Felisa so that we can go to our appointment or whatever.
What is your appointment?
Be man. But anyways, so yeah, me just done to get some pork. I did video like a little snippet of dragon and chop up the pork. Then killed 2 hog yesterday and it had done already, so we make sure we get some. We get some. Well, B got some for his mom, and then I got some for Fel, and then what do I call them? Yvette and Tokia Wabi to me. Grandma uncle my grandaunt and my granduncle. Get them 155 phone, so they can't say me not get nothing. And me carry down pills for them and whatever. So I'm gonna pick up Felisa and drop it off to them, like how we are going in the same place, like Prospect. So I was doing this. So yeah, that me I gonna do now. B saying hungry, but me don't want to wait. Come on, I'm secure, you know. So I don't know if after me done with my appointment we can get the food or not. So, yeah. Guys, we're at Secura and I'm waiting on the courier room. They say about 10 to 15 minutes. And so I want to take pad. I'm gonna wait. Right, B? No, I'm a courier room. Don't want to curry my
So you're not big on the son?
Alright guys, so we got the Secura, the curry shrimp, and the curry mala. We just get one because I will if I food this. And it's a share for 2 of us. So we'll eat this now and then make our way to Felisa. What's up guys? So, you know, said Fel in a place.
And baby Maya.
And baby Maya making her first appearance. Yeah. Just 3 months, what's she gonna say? But yes guys, so we just picked them up and now we're on our way out. Yes. And be jealous. Felisa, and jealous of me and Felisa.
Always.
Cause we live good.
If me did ever a man cousin that dead.
What? But B, if she was a man, why would I be doing it with my cousin? You're disgusting.
I don't mean disgusting, I only mean disgusting.
But if I was a man, she wouldn't be so close to me either.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
No, why would I be so close to that guy? No.
With that guy, no. Like things that we do together, I said together.
So me have girlfriend and me and close.
Oh,
That's
who have
too
girlfriend?
Me.
Who?
Me.
Who?
Me.
I'm me and him.
What's their name?
Me and him.
Moisha.
Why do I know that name?
Close.
Moisha.
Me glad it's soon.
Me I go look for you later.
Me glad I'm soon and
Yeah?
close again.
Who should?
Me I go look for her later. She work college.
Moisha? The name was in your stuff one time. Now she said pum pum picture.
Girl, you be.
I ran it from Moisha that.
Be.
No, I could cut this out.
Like, who said the pum picture?
Felisa. Felisa.
You can't send my pum picture, that will never happen. First of all, I'm not going to chat to you when Kayla not there, because I don't want you to be insecure.
No.
Move
Wait, why would I feel insecure, Phil?
Yeah, he not trust himself.
Oh, not just as a Shanky, me not there with the love now, Monica. First of all,
Wait, why do me man? You ain't there with the love and money?
not two big bull can't really in a one pay. You see me man not even talk.
How much month about?
The two of them born September.
Days apart, we could have never be the man and woman.
Carry not be a problem not there. Yeah, there. All the house,
No
all
glass,
the house
no-
not burned down to my time.
No glass would either that just said it. No cocky in the kitchen.
Yeah, man.
First of all, you think like a toilet and me a pit. So it's why we can never get together.
Which part we are going now?
But you're still
We
the
know
best
you attend,
friend,
we are
you know.
I know, say next Moisha born September to be.
Eh?
Bumbo clean. Moisha born September.
You ever think for September people?
September 18th. And me and him can't get along. No fight time people
Yes,
see me and him
no,
probably
no,
think
we
with
can't
them.
get along. One time same.
Can't get along, man.
But we get him and he cause
Yeah,
because you face like me.
Yeah,
No,
ugly
no.
Shanky. Ugly Shanky think I nothing me I beg you. Me have something to me buy food put on over here for you. Yeah? When me all him all pick and then go up on the road, man. But you have one time when he come like he said, when she have your food away I go out and be a man then and him come.
Right.
He come like he want just up like man.
Shanky, when me come at home, so they me da pray if you come kitchen. Jesus Christ, me say me pray. You're big God.
No man, me be
Yeah, me
myself,
too big
man.
God. Shanky, when Shanky knows me I come. When Shanky Kayla tell Shanky say me I come.
Kill him.
No, but Phil, if you might dance with somebody, I don't know in that.
Of that big head girl there, me I tell Felisa, say tell the girl say me I beg him a dance. The girl a look round for me like him. I don't tell the girl who this man, but Felisa say nobody tell him nothing.
Shanky, no, you need to clean. If I see man when me not rock with the night, blood clean. You couldn't dance your jeans man that.
How want me there for again?
You couldn't. You have one nice jeans and yellow and your yellow sweatsuit top something.
Yellow
Yellow.
tar sleeve something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause me think it now cold now. Felisa, how many Riversdale have a cold so when it
Me
cold?
not know. You don't see me not a sleep though.
Me wear one tar sleeve top how shoes me wear? One yellow Clarks.
Anyways, guys.
Clarks. But me not remember.
Guys, you think it's a
How
big
it's fun.
deal
Yeah, me
if
remember
like B got one party and dance with a man, or me got one party and dance with a man? B party where me go with. Well, I mean, I dance with the man, you know, but if you did dance with a man, I don't know nothing that though.
What? If I did that couldn't keep back next year.
What?
No, listen, Kayla.
Eh.
If you as a woman go a party, go wine for a man, it is disgusting. Especially knowing that you're in a serious relationship, it is not nice. I think it's a ghetto style, a skettle style. Like a
But you know,
girl
say,
when-
as a man, if you're there, stand up for one girl, especially a superstar like me.
Excuse
If you're there, stand up. What you say?
That's
Who the
superstar.
hell this? My girl, alright. One dance I keep on Lindsay Saturday night, you go see. Definitely on a star.
Shanky.
Especially a superstar like me.
Pick up yourself,
Stand up
put
now
back
and
down.
dance. If then I see one girl stand upside of me, girl, I'll just come in front of me, go wine for me.
Shanky,
I know that.
Shanky, if Kayla that foreign, you see,
Yeah.
and one girl wine for you out here. If I wine alone, you're alright. Till one Kayla, then a girl can't step to you.
No, then if they see me man, then I go wine. But me mean like,
No.
girl,
But
then I party.
No, you have some girl dry here. We see a turn upside of your woman and come dance in the same, but me have broke her back. One licking at the back. So tell them, say, If you wait till they see you and Kayla alone, tell us what Uncle Girl always walk out to do.
Well,
Don't
mad.
come near you when they see you. See her. Come here, lick them in them back. but
Woman not have sense, man. No woman not gonna do those silly stuff.
yeah,
You know what I
some
mean?
silly woman will leave them. Some woman just steal. I don't do cause problem. Maya, me like I fit your bag for the bed, but maybe strap your in front for me.
Oh. Then we have KFC. Yes, spicy wings.